Hey, this is Mr. Golias, and we're taking a look at some of the biggest issues we're having making our podcasting. The first issue, the biggest one I'm seeing, is people trying to make everything onto one recording, where they're just using the stop button after each time, and then it's giving track after track after track, and like this person's at 46, they're going to keep going, and they're going to try to get it all in one, which just isn't the way you want to go. So what we really want to end up with is, oops, let me get in the right folder here. A situation like this, where here's my audio, and I have named each one of them, like my intro, research one, and very specific files, and you're going to have all of them into one folder. So there's a couple ways you can go about doing that. One is, if I have my research like this, I can do one by one, and then export and add transitions. Or I can just rewrite the thing with the transitions, like you might see in this one, or you might see, or actually that's the only one I have in this set, where the transitions are in, and then maybe you make one recording. This thing would maybe be, I don't know, 30 seconds. You export it, then you move on to your next driving question, which this one isn't finished yet, but then I would do that, and so I would end up with maybe just 3 or 4 research recordings. But that's how we would tackle that. Please do not do just one recording, as that's just going to end up being a nightmare for you. Finally, make sure that as you're finishing up audio, you are double checking back here to make sure you have all the audio recordings that you're going to need, especially the partners, knowing that you have different requirements than the individuals. And then just one final thing, the outro is just simply you're signing off, thanking people for watching your podcast. All right, you can go ahead and finish up your recordings today. Good luck.